Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing the recipe of fried fish. So very delicious tali huई machli. So let's get started. How good is it? It's crushed. It's not like a powder, but we need it crushed. Everything is crushed. Your 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and here I have some masalas. So this one is 1 teaspoon red chili, crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, half teaspoon amchur powder or mango powder, and here I have 1 tablespoon dhaniya powder, coriander powder, and this one is Zeera powder, 1 tablespoon. I have few more ingredients, which is I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon salt, and salt up to your taste. I'm using 1 tablespoon red chili powder. If you want, you can use 1.5, but I'm using 1 tablespoon, and half haldi powder, and this is half my garam masala, and 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. So I'm gonna add all those ingredients in here. I have 2 lemons, and this is 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna mix that. And now I'm gonna add my 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. 1 tablespoon of suki methi. Also, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon Hara dhaniya, green coriander, fresh.